Meaning of flowered.
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 Flowered. The word flowered is the past tense of the verb flower, which means to produce flowers or to reach the stage of flowering. When something has flowered, it has developed and produced one or more flowers, usually as a result of proper conditions such as sunlight, water, and nutrients. The outcome of flowering can be visually stunning, with vibrant colors and intricate patterns attracting pollinators and adding beauty to the environment. The process of flowering is essential for many plants' reproduction and plays a crucial role in the ecosystem.